I'm gonna make a quick fruit salad. This is strawberries, mango, blueberry, honey, poppy seed, and typically I would add mint to this in the summer, but my mint is just sprouting, so it's not quite ready, but it's gonna be delicious either way. I'm pulling the more underripe berries and putting them in because this is gonna be coated in honey and have other fruit in it. So it's gonna help mask the fact that they're underripe. The video just hit 5 minutes, so that's how quick you can whip this up. And it's only going to get better as it sits and everything marinates together in your fridge or on the countertop before a meal. Again, if you add that mint in, it's gonna take it to another level. I highly recommend adding mint to all your salads in the summer. I just love it so much.